Cryptocurrency. It's a hot topic of conversation at most parties. It's the buzzword. It's a topic which is disruptive. It's a topic which is accelerating. Hi everyone, this is Riya Yadav and today let's discuss what cryptocurrency and blockchains really are in very simple language. Let's say you and me were having some kind of a deal and we wish to have our own digital money because money is just a representation of value and that could be shown in any way. We both agree that something like this pen has value of 10 rupees defined. Then it does, right? I can give you this pen and settle a sum of rupees 10. Now inflation kicks into picture and that is how this pen is no longer 10 rupees. It could be sometime later 12 rupees or 15 rupees. Now coming back to the example, for instance, if we both took a JPEG like this and we both agreed that this represents value equivalent of 100 bucks. For us now, this is money. When we exchange this, it will be an actual transfer of money. And this transaction could be stored in something like a sheet or an Excel to maintain a track of who owes what. This is called a ledger. Now if we extrapolate this model to 100 people, there will be a ledger of 100 people which states that this person has this much money and he owes this much to someone else. And everyone will have the exact same copy of this ledger which gets updated real time. Now just in case if one person wants to pull off a trick and do some fraud, he would change up his version of the ledger. Let's say he makes a fake entry that a person in this group owes him 100 bucks. He just changed up his ledger, but all the other 99 people have the correct version of ledger which doesn't include this fraudulent activity. So the blockchain will cancel out this particular entry of the ledger because other people do not have it, and that is how the transaction isn't showcased. Hence, this system is foolproof and has proved to be safe. With this understanding, let's quickly get back to discussing what blockchain is. So, blockchain is comprised of blocks which hold information within them. They are connected to each other by having a previous block's hash function. Hash is like a digital fingerprint which is unique, which gets changed when the information in the block is changed. Now, cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records are maintained by a decentralized system, the ledger that we just discussed. It's a form of payment that can circulate without the need of any central authority like banks, governments, etc. Instead, cryptocurrencies are created by cryptographic techniques that enable people to buy, sell, and trade them securely. They are most often used in assets and investment vehicles. What makes them safe is the fact that if any information on the block is tampered with, the hash of the block which contains the information will get changed. And that will mean that this block will no longer have connection to the blockchain. A lot of people are confused about the legality of cryptocurrency in India. So let's discuss just that. It's perfectly legal to invest in cryptocurrency in India, but it's not a legal tender of money. As in, you can't use cryptocurrency as normal currency. It's not a legitimate payment method and you can't buy anything with it. You can use it as an asset class and invest, trade, lend all you want. There's a lot of hype about cryptocurrency, which could be attributed to a few things, right? So let's discuss the advantages of cryptocurrency. Number one, it's decentralized. It can circulate without the need of any central monetary authority such as government or a bank. You don't need to have any such intermediary. Number two, it doesn't have government control over it. Currently, our government prints notes according to the requirement and its understanding. And by doing so, the value of currency might decrease or increase. Inflation, note burn, notes in circulation is something that a few people in the government have full control upon, which might not be ideal, right? And ideally, cryptocurrencies don't have such instances. The tokenomics are pre-decided, which include the quality, quantity, distribution, and production of crypto tokens, etc. Everything about the token or coin that would work and how it would work. Like Bitcoin are capped at 21 million and there will only ever be these many coins into existence. You can't change it. Number three, no exchange rates. Cryptocurrencies just need wallet addresses to be transferred into and they have gas fees. There are no middleman fees and exchange rates, etc. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of cryptocurrency and blockchain. If it did, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.